What's up everybody, I'm Andre, this is Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat. So it's time to warm those bodies up. How do we do it? With some pumpkin soup. Let's get started. Alright, so this is a very simple recipe. We're going to start with the onions first, add them to the pot, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to let them soak. Did I say soak? I am going to let them sweat for a couple of minutes, turn a slight brown color, and then we'll move on to everything else. Alright, so what we're going to do now is add in the white pepper. Stir that around just for a second. And then I'm going to add in the pumpkin puree. Please do not add in pumpkin pie puree. You're going to get a totally different tasting soup. So, add in pumpkin puree. Alright, and then I'm going to add in just about a cup, just to make sure the pumpkin and the water with the broth gets incorporated. Now I'm adding in a total of 4 cups, but I'm going to do that gradually. Give it about 10-15 minutes and let it simmer. So I'm just going to add the top and leave it alone. That's it guys, there you go, a fantastic bowl of pumpkin wild rice soup. So tasty, so delicious, you gotta trust me on this one. Better yet, make it yourself, you'll understand how incredible this tastes and how incredible it smells right now in the room. But listen, before you go and do that, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new awesome videos just like this one. So I'm gonna go finish this off, and I'll see you right back here next time on Edible Fitness. Bye!